Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Okay.
So, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Okaka Upande. I'm the principal of Nyang'inja Secondary School.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what are the main problems of the children here in your school?
Quite a number of our students are orphans and they're not paying fees in time. And some also walk long distances coming to school. Yeah.
So, and the school itself, what are the main challenges of this school?
The main challenge is that it's a small school. It's 2 years now. They're moving to Form 3. We don't have a class. Yes, that's the major challenge. We also don't have water tanks. Yeah, it's dry. And the community built the 2 classes. We still don't have doors for the Form 2. And you can also see the walls. They have not been plastered. Yes. And in the 2 classes. Yeah.
Okay. So then, what would be the first priority for the school?
The first priority is the construction of Form 3 class. Yes. Of about 250 to 300,000 Kenya shillings.
Okay.
Yes.
And how it is to be a teacher in Nyang'inja? What are the good and the bad?
It's fantastic. One is that the environment is good. The students are collaborative and they are disciplined, I would say that. The communities are also good and we have young teachers and at least they are controllable. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And any bad side?
Because we lack facilities,
Uh-huh.
we don't have clean drinking water. And that's why I talked of a water tank. We don't have staff houses. So it means that I have to travel about 30 kilometers
Every day.
every day. 30 one way, or 30 another way. Every day coming to school. Okay, there are some few houses around.
But they are not enough.
Well, being a principal in a secondary school, there's a class, there's a place you can sleep. Yeah, which are not around.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so if the school will build one, at least you can design it. Not in too expensive, but just moderate enough. Yes.
Okay. So, thank you very much, Erokamano.
You're